Hello and welcome everyone. Question number 51, 8 divided by 2 parenthesis 8 divided by 2. Try to solve by your own and comment your answer to get featured in the shortcut list. Here, many solve like this, like they are not using the right way of order of operation, but we will use here the PEMDAS. First, we can see here there are three operations that is inside parenthesis. There is division, parenthesis, that is just multiplication and division. And according to PEMDAS, parenthesis, multiplication, division, addition and subtraction, first preference will be given to parenthesis. So first we will operate this parenthesis part. And when we operate this, 8 divided by 2, we will get 4. So we can write on the place of this 4. So we will rewrite here 8 divided by 2 parenthesis 4. We can write like this 8 divided by 2 times 4. Okay. Now if you are solving like this, 8 divided by 4 times 2, that is equal to 8, and 8 divided by 8 which equals to 1, then this is the wrong method. This is not the right way. So I will show you how you can solve in a better way or right way. From here we can rewrite 8 divided by 2 times 4. Actually there are two operations, that is multiplication and division, and we can actually multiplication and division have the same priority like this, and in that case we have to operate from left to right. So first we have to operate this division. Okay. Now 8 divided by 2 which equals to what? Nothing but 4. So in the next step we can write here 4 times 4. Now 4 times 4, that equals to 16. So here right answer is 16, not 1. Okay. And if you're serious, then must check out our best product link in the description. Like this video and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.